Welcome to the EHL Junior Academy.
So before coming here, I've known EHL for its excellence and prestige. Experiencing both the academic and the practical sides of hospitality was really fun.
A refined environment guided by expertise and a passion for excellence.
I really enjoyed the service techniques and the mocktail preparations. It was a great balance between learning to be very precise and also having fun and being creative.
From engaging classes to hands-on workshops and team challenges, every experience is designed to inspire you and reveal your potential.
During the group project we had, I organized with my team the presentation. I helped people share their ideas and collaborate.
The program gives you a unique international immersion. You'll share ideas, exchange cultures, and build friendships with students from around the globe, united by a shared passion.
I've met with people from the Middle East, Asia, and Europe. They all bring a fresh new perspective on hospitality, which is something that I really enjoyed.
You'll discover the hospitality and luxury industries, embracing values of excellence, openness, and passion.
EHL isn't just about hospitality, it's about becoming a very global, confident and capable person as well.
It's your first step towards discovering the studies that truly inspire you.